Welcome back to Gotta Try DIY. My name is David, and I'm just an average, ordinary homeowner who tries to fix things themselves. So if I could do it, you could do it. And today, I'm actually going to replace this up here smoke detector. It was going off by itself for no apparent reason. We came home one time from shopping, and the alarm was going off, and I checked it, and I took it down. Here you can see I took it down already and opened it up, and I tried the old blow duster, blow the dust out kind of thing, and it didn't work, and a piece broke. So I'm actually just going to go to Home Depot and buy a new one. To take this off of here, you just twist it counterclockwise and it comes down. It's pretty good. Now this one is a little bit old. It is a wired, as you can see, a wired unit as well as a battery pack for backup. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot and find a new smoke detector, and I'm gonna look for the ones that combine with the carbon monoxide, because I don't think we have one here in this house. Again, these are old. So let's go to Home Depot and see if we can find a new smoke detector. Here we are at Home Depot, the homeowner's favorite store. Let's go find our smoke detector. Okay, when it comes to the smoke detectors with carbon monoxide, I'm thinking of getting this one here for 50 bucks because it's wired just like my other one with a battery backup. This looks exactly the same thing, except it has wiring harnesses on it, which I have a wiring harness that I can try to rewire to this other one, or just straight, wire it. So either way, I don't think that makes a big of a difference, but there's a lot of different. Most of them, there's some more AC power. That's regular smoke detectors. These are the combos up on top, wired combos, and these look like they are the battery operated only. So battery operated seem to be less expensive than just the wired, the combo. But I'm gonna try replacing the one that I got. So I think that is it. We're gonna go with this one right here and install it and see what happens. I'm also right underneath this fire extinguishers, and I don't have any fire extinguishers at all. So while I'm here, I'm gonna pick up, I think, this one right here, which is one for kitchen and one for regular. I'll put one in the garage and one in the kitchen. So always better to be safe than sorry and have one on hand. Okay, so I'm back from Home Depot, and I got my my smoke detector carbon monoxide Fire X by Kitty model. Again, there was another package there you saw that had a few extra bits in it, that like cable connectors and stuff, and it was more expensive, so I thought I'd try this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have an instruction sheet here. So if you decide you want to read the instructions, you can do that, or just wing it like I usually do. No, I reference the instructions. So let's take a look at that. We've got a mounting plate. This is probably different than the one that I have mounted already, so I will probably have to replace that. And it looks like, oh look, it's got a little rain bonnet on it. How cute. What's it say? Do not remove dust cover until all construction has been completed. Blah, 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 blah. Dust cover, okay. Pull out tab, it says here, pull out tab to activate battery. So I'm going to hold off on that. Well, I guess I'm not going to. I'm going to take it out now because it pops up and they actually give you a battery too, so that's cool. Oh shit. Push test button. Hey! I'm not ready yet. Okay. The back of this has a little 3-prong connector which goes with this. This is the connector that comes with it. So that goes on there, but that is different than the old one that I have. So I'm going to have to replace the connector that I have in the ceiling with this one. So I got to do a little bit of wiring and stuff on that to get that plugged in. I'm not opening up anything else. It's all kind of contained. I don't want to try that because when I opened up my last one, I broke it. So I'm going to leave it like that. This is supposed to have a 10-year warranty on it, I think. I don't know, but it's rated for 120 volt AC DC, so it's got the wired in and battery. Again, there's battery only ones if you don't have any wires coming out. Okay, since I have to take off the mounting plate from the old one, but the new one on because it's definitely a different size, I need to unscrew a bit here. And then there's this connector, which is the wrong connector, which means I have to get into the electricity and the wires and the power. Be sure to turn off your power just to make sure. A lot of people will do this with the power still on, electricians, because they're cool, they're not afraid. I don't do that. I make sure I turned off the power, and I hope I got the right one. I turned off the hall lights here in the bedroom and the garage, and this all like this half of the house. So hopefully I don't get electrocuted. If I do, you will be the first, not the first, but you'll know. So let's go and unscrew this and see if we can get this set up for the new smoke detector. And I wear my glasses so I can see what the heck I'm doing. That came off easy. Okay, well that was easy because the plate has these little like slip things. You slide it in and turn it to lock it in place. So that came out easy, so let's get rid of that. And let's see how this is plugged in. And the new plug has a black and white wire and a red wire that's capped. So we're going to find out if we need to use that. This also has 3 wires. See, just touch the red. Yeah, there's a black. Okay, so white one white, black one black. It's all red right there, so that makes sense. So let's take it off. Those are on there. I'm going to get the other plate, shove all this in there. So let's do that. Okay, so let's get that in there. Let's get that in there. Get that in there. This goes in the hole. I know there's the screws. Let's see if I can get the right screw configuration. No, not that one. That'll work. There we go. All right, screw that in there. Okay, that's good. So far so good. It's not too difficult. All right, and this has the little plug-in for here, so we'll get that orientated correctly and pushed in. It should snap in like that. And hey, look at that. They got up there. Now we have to hit the test button. Now the green light's on, so that's good. It's getting power. Let's hit the test button. So hang tight. Here it comes. There we go. That works. Ooh. Listen.
Carbon monoxide.
Okay, so it talks to you too. So it tells you if there's a fire or carbon monoxide. Okay, that's it. That's it, we're good. That's all there is to it, guys. To replace your smoke detector, get a combo so you get that carbon monoxide, because I didn't have one before. That's very, very dangerous. Usually though, I think is the carbon monoxide is usually put down lower because it's, I think, heavier, but you know, that's what I got. So that's it. Anyway, that's it. Hey, thanks for watching my Gotta Try DIY channel. And I got some other things planned because when I was at Home Depot, I bought something else I need to replace. So coming up next is going to be replacing the thermostat, a basic thermostat with a programmable thermostat. So stay tuned for that one coming up next. See you guys. Thanks a lot. Oh yeah, give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. All right. See ya. Ones that are combining. Okay, I'm gonna go to Home Depot and try to find one that combines with the carbon dioxide detector. I think that's what it is. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot and find a new one, and I'm gonna maybe try to find one that combines the carbon dioxide detector at the same time, or carbon monoxide, what are the CO2, whatever that one is.